And the government is also considering to introduce COVID-19 pandemic-type restrictions to get people to conserve fuel. It comes as the government reveals that the global oil challenges have reached crisis levels. That declaration was also made at Wednesday's post-cabinet press briefing.
Government is going to have to look at policies to limit movements, especially transportation movements. I don't know, Minister Dixon, I don't know whether or not we go back to a COVID hybrid version of working from home, but something has to happen, because the level of traffic that I'm seeing on the road doesn't show me that anybody realizes that there's a war and the price of fuel and oil is just continuing to go up and up and up.